Welcome. This is Noble, and we'll go to planning. Like hierarchically, a control system is a form of control system in which a set of devices and governing software is arranged in a hierarchy. Like set of softwares, the devices and softwares, they are arranged in a hierarchy. Okay, that's planning in AI. So then automated planning and scheduled intelligent agent must be able to set goals and achieve them. So in AI, planning means like uh, automated planning and scheduled intelligent agent, okay, must be able to set goals and achieve them. Okay, it is very simple, and they need a way to visualize the future, a representation of state of the world, and able to make predictions about their actions will change it, and able to make choices that maximizes the utility value of available choices. Like it's finding the optimized way which gives you value, more utility, optimization, and greater value. Okay, this is how planning is done. In classical planning problem, the agent can assume that it is the only system acting in the world, allowing the agent to be certain of consequences its actions. However, if the agent is not only actor, then it requires the agent to reason under uncertainty. This calls for an agent that cannot only assess its environment and make predictions, but also evaluate its predictions and adapt based on its assignment. Multi-agent planning uses the cooperation and completion of many agents to achieve a given goal. Uh, Immigrant behavior such as this is used by evolutionary algorithm and swarm intelligence. So this is how planning is done. Planning, like there's a hierarchy in the softwares, also arranged in a, like devices and softwares in a hierarchical manner. Then automated planning is like where the agent goes and achieves the value, goals, optimization. Then classical problem, there were problems with the classical problem, and then multiple agent planning is used in a multiple evolutionary algorithms and other stuff. This is how planning is done in AI. Okay, so we'll go to the next video where we learn about AI learning. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's meet you in the next video, AI learning. Thank you.